What is Times Square? It's a square, a pretty bright square, I would say, with a lot of people.
Times Square is one of the most exhilarating places in the entire world. It is the center place of the universe, Times Square. Living Image has collaborated with Times Square Advertising Coalition and Times Square Arts on Midnight Moment for 4 years now.
I did my thesis on fractals as repetitive patterns which underline natural structures. Fractals are sort of natural formation almost, and they're mathematical. They exist everywhere in nature, they're embedded with us as beings, in animals, they're in the universe, they're everywhere. And they're infinite, you can dive into it infinitely and never ending. I feel it's almost like a meditative experience. I designed it as I wanted it to be a sort of contemplation about this world. And you are kind of synchronizing your own mind into it, and you're observing these sort of abstract realities that look really familiar to the human eye.
Okay, the midnight moment.